Let's talk about complex numbers. A complex number is a number of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary unit, the square root of -1. If I have the number z and it's a complex number, well, z is equal to a number in the form a plus bi. A is the real part of the complex number. Bi is the imaginary part of this complex number. We can even graph complex numbers. We can graph these on the Cartesian plane, and we will use our horizontal axis as our real axis, and we will use the vertical axis as our imaginary axis. When we use the Cartesian plane in this way, we call it the complex plane. Let's graph some complex numbers. Plot the number 3 plus 4i on a complex plane. 3 is the real part of our complex number. That will be on our horizontal axis. So I will go to the right 3. 4i is our imaginary part of our complex number. I will go up to 4. This is the imaginary number, 3 plus 4i. Let's try another one. Plot the number -7 plus 2i on a complex plane. -7 is the real part. I will start at the origin and I will go left 7. 2i is the imaginary part. I will go up 2 spaces. This is the complex number, -7 plus 2i. Now let's check out this point in the third quadrant. Can you tell me the complex number for that point? In order to get to that point, we did go to the left 5 spaces and we went down 3 spaces. So the real part of this complex number will be -5 and the imaginary part will be -3. This is a complex number, -5 minus 3i.